How to upload documents to the MyCity portal. Before starting an application, review the instructions to learn which documents you need to support your application. Have your document files stored and accessible on your PC or mobile device before starting or resuming an application. When filling out your application, you'll come to a section where you'll be required to upload documents. To upload those documents, first, select which required document you want to upload from the list provided. Next, click the Upload File button. If you're on your personal computer, select the file you want to upload in the pop-up window that appears. Then click the Open button in the same pop-up window. If uploading from Android device or iPhone, simply tap the Choose File button. Depending on device, it should open up a screen where you can click on files stored on your device or in Cloud Storage app. The document file should now be uploaded. If you want to remove the document, click on the red trash icon next to the file. If you want to save your document file to your MyCity account so you can use it for future applications, click the box Save Your Data for future MyCity services. Now your documents are saved to your MyCity account. Repeat these steps to upload additional files. Want to see your saved documents? Log into your MyCity account and click the Document tab on the left side of the screen. All of your uploaded and saved documents will appear.